This is the brief on Marbury versus Madison. So imagine you've been appointed to a new job. The paperwork is all signed and sealed. But then the new administration just refuses to deliver it. That's pretty much the conflict at the heart of this 1803 Supreme Court case. But the ruling wasn't really about the job. It was about fundamentally establishing the judiciary's power to check the other branches of government. So let's get into it. First, the court looked at William Marbury's right to his commission, and they ruled that, yep, he had a vested legal right to the office. Because his commission was signed and sealed, refusing to deliver it was a clear violation of that right. Simple as that. Second, Marbury asked the Supreme Court to issue what's called a writ of mandamus. It's basically a court order telling a government official, in this case, James Madison, to do his job. Now, while the court agreed there should be a remedy, it found a huge problem. The law Congress had passed actually gave the Supreme Court a power that contradicted the Constitution's own definition of the court's authority. And finally, the court delivered its monumental decision. It said that because the Constitution is the supreme law of the land, any law passed by Congress that violates it has to be declared void. This single ruling established the principle of judicial review, which is just the power of the Supreme Court to strike down unconstitutional laws. It's the very foundation of the court's role today. What started as a petty fight over a job commission became the defining moment where the judiciary claimed the final say over what is and is not the law of the land.